everyone, it's me, Elena. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about and wearing this new foundation by Makeuprevolution, the Conceal and Hydrate, and this new concealer, Conceal and Hydrate. And what do you think about them? I look very happy, so you can tell I like it. I'm not gonna lie. I was very skeptical and I didn't know what to think because I heard different things about them. But we're gonna see. So this is $12 and this is $10. And they're very nice. You're going to see the application. This one is 0.7 ounces. And this one 0.4.5 ounces. I guess it's a normal size. So if you're interested to see what I think about this, then keep on watching. Subscribe, click notification bell, comment, and like. And I'll see you in the video. Okay. Without my husband, I can't open anything, so I had to use tweezers to open this sucker up. I'm gonna tell you, in store, that was a mess. It was a wet mess. I'm glad I had napkins, or we call it little paper towels, because this is very wet and this is very wet and liquid. Most of the stains ran when I was testing them. So I think I got this right. And now I'm online and reading the description of this. And I think this might be a little too yellow. Well, let me read about this one. So I got this in F8. And let's see what it says online. F8 is light medium skin tones with warm undertone. I would say I'm neutral, so we'll see how it goes. And what it says is ageless, unisex, affordable, yours. Okay, so it says it's a full coverage foundation. It has 50 skin true shades. It's buildable, it's lightweight, and designed to suit every skin type and tone. I think it's more for dry skin, so I don't know. It says it's oil-free, but yet creamy and comfortable formula. It dries down to long-lasting demi-matte finish. It won't settle into fine lines and cling to dry patches. Okay. So we'll see. It says high pigmented coverage. So it's all great. That's for the foundation. For the concealer, I got shade C6. And I think I'm right on this one, because C6 is a light medium skin tones with neutral undertone. And this says suitable for everyone looking for lightweight finish with a boost of moisture. Sounds a little weird. All day hydration. Okay. Hyaluronic acid. Ooh, okay. I like that. Covers blemishes, even skin tone. Counteracts dark circles. It's better. While drenching skin with moisture. Designed for dry skin, the sheer satin finish. Okay. Won't settle into just fine lines. I'm a little worried about sheer. I don't know. I like full coverage, but it's supposed to be full coverage, right? Well, we'll see. So let's start with foundation. I've got my Juno sponge. Again, I like to use it dry or wet. And online it says use it either or, so you can use it either way. I like that it's kind of, the foundation doesn't go in, so it doesn't eat up your product. So you don't need to use it much. See, it's very liquid, so I'm afraid it's gonna run. Oh, where is it? Come on, Revolution, come through. Oop, that was one? Seriously? Let's try two. Ooh! So the first one was like a mini squeeze, so that's a lot. We'll see. We'll go with the rounded side. Where's my mirror? Alright, let's see. By the way, I did not prime my face just to see how it sticks without primer. But now I'm thinking I need to prime the other side to compare. So I'm gonna apply this on half. And I'm gonna prime the other half. I don't think it's that warm. It says it's a warm. I guess I'm more warm. I'm neutral, but now it's summer, so I might be a little warm. And I use self-tanner, so just the half right here. It does look very, very hydrating. Alright, let me put a little primer before all this goes down the hill. Elf Poreless Putty. And this is a good one. Okay, so I primed. So now I'm gonna go in with the other half of my face. I'm still using that little bit left. I try not to overdo with foundation. I find that a little goes a long way, especially on dry skin. So you don't want to overdo it, otherwise it's gonna look horrid. So I need more. I'm loving it. So far, it looks just gorgeous, mind-blowing. It's so wet looking, it's just amazing. It feels so soft and hydrating. It's not greasing yet. Well, we'll see when I powder, but well, here's the thing. If you put too much, it's going to grease a lot. So you have to be really careful, especially around the mouth. So what I do usually, I apply first, and then I'm gonna go in with a clean side of a sponge. Let's say on this side, it's still clean, or maybe a look in the butt. I'm gonna rub it off a little bit, because I know where you smile, here, that's where it's gonna settle. So I'm gonna go in and remove a little bit. So go light around mouth, go light around smile lines, and you should be okay. And here too, in the chin. So now, what I'm very excited about, yes, look at my orange hands, it's disgusting. I put self-tanner yesterday, so if you can see, like my neck is a little more yellow, that's because of self-tanner, but I think it's a good match. Like in real life, it looks really, really almost the same, because my neck is a little yellow, but the face looks very natural. So let's check this out. The doe foot looks good. Just opened it. It looks scarily too light, but we'll see. Again, I'm not going crazy. I don't apply foundation on my eyes because foundation and concealer, way too much. And you're gonna look like cake. It's not gonna be pretty. It's just gonna age you. So I'm gonna go in a little bit. Just here, I'm not doing all this in the middle. Sometimes if I feel like it, I'm gonna try it, but I never like the results of that. So a small little sponge. I like this one. Oh my god, look at this. It's like hydrating and shiny and moisturizing. It blends like a dream. Oh my god, I love this. How I didn't use it before? Well, because it's new. But I mean, All my other concealers are very matte, which I like, but this is something. It's just beautiful. Now for the setting powder, I'm gonna go with what I have, what I usually use, to give it a fair chance, because I want to use what I usually use with my other foundation. So I'm gonna use this Fit Me, and we'll see how that works with my regular. I like this loose powder. Usually I'm not a fan of loose powders, but this one is real good. And now I'm going with this flat part of Juno sponge. I love Juno sponge because you can do so many things with it. It does not absorb anything in it. So let's go lightly first under our eyes. So far, it looks amazing. I love this. It looks just flawless. Look at this. It's just amazing. Let me close in. I see a little bit something here, but I think it's a user error. I don't think I blended it well. So when your foundation is still a little thick in one spot, it might be a little patchy with the powder, but other than that, look at this. Oh my God, it's like flawless. Absolutely amazing. I'm just floored. I'm floored how it feels. It feels so soft. Even with the powder, it still feels very pliable. Oh my God, it's so good. I'm shocked. I'm really shocked. All right, let me finish my look and I'll be right back. I'll just do the rest of the makeup. See you soon. And I'm back. I am so happy. This was a very, very satisfying application. Very beautiful makeup haul from yesterday. I am so freaking happy about this foundation. I have so many inexpensive, I mean, for me, it's a lot. I have like, what, about 8, 9, 10, but really cheap ones. But this was $12 in Ulta, and I think this was 10. Amazing. I just love this. This is gorgeous. The most gorgeous finish. Look at that. Look at forehead, no problems. Under eyes, no issues with concealer. No issues with creasing. Nothing. See? I think that's what it is. A lot of people, I mean, not a lot, but from what I heard, I think whoever is unhappy with it, they're either too oily and this is way too hydrating, and the oils are pushing it apart. So if you put too much hydrating primer underneath, it's probably not going to be that good. Or if you're oily, and also if you put too much. So the people love the full coverage. I like full coverage, but not as much as I like flawless finish. So I'd rather have less coverage, but have less creasing. So I think with this one in particular, because it's so liquid and it's so hydrating, I think the best is to use it very, very thin. So, because I see, like, I didn't blend well here, and I think I put like a blob here and it was a little bit cakey, so I had to pat it out and it became beautiful. So again, I fixed this too. So for now, I think this is gonna be my holy grail. I'm not kidding you. This is just gorgeous. Makeuprevolution Conceal and Hydrate Medium Full Coverage Foundation. Beautiful. I just love this. So if you guys interested, look in the link below. I'm going to link this, and you're going to see this makeup look in my next video, because that's another palette I'm going to review. And this is the finished look. I'm still in awe. I'm gonna try to do the wear test, because right now It's 6:37. So I kind of started late, so it's Pacific time, 6:37. So maybe a couple of hours. I'll try to either insert picture or do a little clip of the video. So I'm checking in. It's been like 2.5 hours. I just ate dinner. I'm getting a little tired, so I can't wait to take this off. Eyelashes are bothering me now. They're too heavy. Anyway, let's assess the damage. The skin looks good. I can't say I don't like it. The only thing is it did crease a little bit around my mouth. Just a little bit here, here, and here a little bit. But nothing you cannot fix. I just kind of patted it in. I mean, from eating, it just got a little bit. So, never mind my dry lips. This lipstick is real matte, real dry. So, other than that, I'm very happy. The rest of my face looks good. So, I highly recommend the Hydrate and Conceal Hydrate. They're both good. The concealer is excellent. I love it. It really is hydrating. For the dry skin, I think it's excellent product. Both. And concealer is really high coverage, and I like the foundation. I just think around my mouth, I could probably use a little less. You know, I think that's the key. If I apply a little less next time, it's gonna be gorgeous. But overall, it's the best foundation I had, I think. I like the L'Oreal Infallible, but I really, really like this one. And this is like the most hydrating I ever had. Good job, Makeuprevolution. So you guys subscribe, comment, tell me what you think about this foundation and concealer. Have you tried them? Have you seen them? Very inexpensive and just gorgeous. So go to the link below, check them out, subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.